I think the biggest thing for me, for anybody who's in school or is going to be graduating soon, is do as much as you can while you're here, because you don't understand how many different opportunities you have, whether it's radio, TV, if you want to do something with print, if you want to do something online, there are many different online venues you can write for as well. So I think you should just find a way to do whatever you love and stick to that, but also don't be afraid to branch out and see if there's something else you want to try that you might like even more than the thing you originally might have wanted to do.
One thing I would definitely recommend is start applying now. Do not wait until graduation, because when that day comes, there are going to be thousands and thousands of students just like you who are going to be going into the job market as well. So you need to work to get into applying as soon as possible. Never skip an opportunity to go to a network event, because there are always people you can meet, connections you can make, and things you can learn.
So I think any advice I would have for students who are looking to kind of prosper at their company, maybe look for different opportunities while they're there, is to really just network as much as you absolutely can. Meet with people who aren't just on your team or in your kind of same environment. Branch out, go explore other roles that maybe you want to learn more about. So definitely network for sure.
I'm beginning graduating here in a year, and they gave me useful information like go out of your comfort zone, be able to, just express who you are, be yourself, and go for those things that you may not think you have a chance for. And to me, that means a lot, because they're telling me to take chances, and I'm a little scared to take chances sometimes, but I still think hearing that from them, that they did that kind of stuff and seeing how successful they are, it really means a lot.
So I'm president of Media Student Association, and my job today was entrancing moderator, and then I also helped out with the recent alumni panel. I think it went really well, actually. We've been planning this for over 9 months. I say that we had everybody show up. We actually had Zach Rader come in at the last minute. He was a little iffy there for a second, but I think in the end everybody was great today. We had some really resourceful information for everybody coming in, and now I'm going to give it to Annie, and she can talk about the senior alumni panel.
Yeah, so I actually moderated the second panel today, and that had 5 senior grads, so people that have been in the industry for over 10 years or so. So it was really fun talking to them, give a different perspective on how the career is. And then we led into lunch, and then the employee mixer, and all went well. A lot of students showed up, which we're happy about. But yeah, it was a great 7th media career day.